It's been nearly 2 weeks since Nancy Guthrie disappeared from her home. Despite the rainy conditions here in Tucson today, the FBI says that their investigation will continue. Meanwhile, they're releasing the very first description of the suspect they believe is behind this. New details from the FBI about the person they're seeking in connection with the disappearance of Nancy Guthrie. After using specialized equipment to analyze the scene, the FBI now believes that the individual is approximately 5'9" to 5'10" tall, with an average build, and gives us a better look at the type of backpack they say the suspect was carrying.
The height and the backpack are very good clues. And what the FBI will do is they'll start with the realm of the possible. How many of these backpacks were sold, when they were sold.
Also, a public plea from law enforcement to the community surrounding Nancy Guthrie's home. Check your surveillance cameras. Asking neighbors within a 2-mile radius for any video from January 1st to February 2nd to look for any vehicles or people that look out of place.
This is a targeted kidnapping. That person didn't just show up there that day and wonder, geez, will she be here? Will she be at home? They knew who she was. They knew her home.
Meanwhile, investigators have recovered several items of evidence, including gloves, the Pima County Sheriff's Department said Thursday afternoon.
They're going to check this thing every possible scientific way for anything that can bring them to a clue or a person.
A banner has been placed outside of KVOA, where Nancy's daughter Savannan Guthrie once worked, echoing the words of her children, "Bring her home." The Pima County Sheriff Chris Nano said that the video released from that doorbell has generated some strong leads. They have a lot to go on, but he admits this investigation has been frustrating.
It's tennis with a twist. It's tennis with an Italian plumber, his brother, and a few of their friends and nemeses. Mario Tennis Fever is the latest game featuring the characters of the Mario-verse squaring off on the tennis court. The game is out now for Nintendo Switch 2.